Naku, babe, happy birthday! I love you, te! Sheena May! Thank you! I love you too! Kamusta ka? I mean, how's your day? Guys, pag eto, si She. Pag eto, si Staku, okay? The usual, celebrating my birthday alone. Mom and dad are still in States. Eh? How about Joanna? Wala kayong ganap ng girlfriend mo? Well, she's with your girlfriend. I know. But do you have... I know. But do you have plans with her today? Actually, wala. Haha. I think whole day sila magbobonding ni Colette. Teka, does your girlfriend know that your birthday is today? Oh my gosh, sobrang ginawa niyo ako red flag dito ah. Tas nag-tweet siya, you remember naman, no? Kasi if you don't, I will cry right now. Okay, Sheena. Stop. Jo has a bad memory in dates. I think she doesn't have any idea that your birthday is today. Message mo kaya? No, I didn't want. Alam ko maaalala niya yan. Baka naman she's preparing a surprise. I don't think she is. I'll talk to Colette. Please, She, don't tell her. Hayaan na lang natin si Joanna mismo makaalala kung nalimutan niya nga. Ay, nako. Please. Oo na. Thank you. You know we can bond naman. What if punta ako dyan sa bahay mo? Can we bond tomorrow? Oh, okay po. Just message me if you need anything, ah. I'll drive dyan papunta sa'yo agad-agad. Yay! Thank you! Love you! I love you too, bestie. Anything for you. Guys, ilan ba to? Hanggang ilan to? Okay. Okay, next. Ito si Ate Colette, ito si She. Okay? Ate Colette, She. Mahal! Colette! Nicolette Vergara! OMG, hi baby ko! Hi ko, bakit po? Ano pong need ng mahal ko? Are you still with Jo? Oh yes babe, why po? May need ka ba kay Jo? Is she aware na birthday ng girlfriend niya today? Grabe ka naman, Joanna. Ha? Baby, you mean birthday ni Stacy ngayon? Yes, baby, and it seems like her girlfriend doesn't know anything about it. Hala, OMG ka, kausapin ko si Jo pagbalik. Nasa counter pa umorder. No, don't tell her. Anong gagawin ko? Joanna has a bad memory. Hoy, sinira niyo pa yung utak ko ah. Sa circle of friends namin, si Aya lang ang natatandaan yung birthday because magkasunod sila. Kahit birthday ko, hindi maalala ng bruhang to eh. Hoy, sa ulo ko kaya, isa-isahin ko pa kayo ha? Tell her to open her SOCMED accounts. Pero huwag mo sasabihin kung bakit. Makikita niya tweets namin. Hayaan mo siya mismo makapansin. Okay. And please, after niya dyan, umuwi na kayo. Stacy is sad because she's alone on her birthday. It will be quick, babe. Ako bahala. After nito, uwi na ako. Ingat kayo, ah. Okay, next. Joanna, Ate Colette. Joanna, Ate Colette. Okay? Joanna, Jo, check Twitter na. Tagal mo naman. Saan ka na? Bilis, check Twitter. Oh my God. I'm still in my car. Kadadating ko lang sa bahay. Kanina ka pa. Ang kulit mo. Ano ba meron sa Twitter kasi? Ayan, salamat. Now check Twitter. Bilisan mo. Alas 9 na. Ano ba kasi yun? Basta mag-check ka na. Hindi na kita re-replyan. Kayo may mura pa pala to OMG, I forgot. Oh my God. Kanina pa kita kinukulit, ayaw mo makinig. I didn't remember. She was alone on her birthday. Message mo na, puntahan mo, bumawi ka hanggat hindi pa tapos yung araw. What if she's mad at me? Let her. Kasalanan mo naman. Puntahan mo na, mag-sorry ka in person, dalian mo hanggat hindi pa tapos yung araw. Okay, I will. Huwag ka na mag-reply. Ha? Imposibleng jowa mo, hindi mo alam yung birthday. Okay. Stacy, Joanna. Hey, lovey. Oh, hello. How's your day with Colette? Well, the usual lang po. Kain ng kwento din. Uwi na. Okay. Can you go outside? OMG, what are you doing here? Basta, baba ka please. I'll wait you here, ah. I'll go downstairs. Stacy was rushed to go outside even she's confused why Joanna is here in this late hour. Ang okay mo naman. Pakaliit mo lang dumating. When she reached the gate, she saw her lover smiling and hands are shaking. Stacy walked to her girlfriend and was shocked when Joanna engulfed her with a tight embrace. Happy birthday, mahal ko! I'm sorry if I forgot. Mahal na mahal kita, lagi mong tandaan. I'm sorry if I ruined your day. Day? I'm sorry if I forgot. I promise hindi na mauulit to. Joanna tightened the hug when Stacy still not uttering any words. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. And that's the signal. Stacy broke the hug and smiles to her girlfriend. And that's the toot! Eat toot! Mura na naman. I know you have bad memories and dates. I already forgive the moment I saw you in front of me. Please let me make it up to you tomorrow. Okay po. And they hugged. Stacy decided that Joanna will sleep in her house because it's getting late and she needs to make it up to her girl tomorrow. Yun na yun.
Akagana. Great Lost Love, Bakulina One Shot AU. Nakaiyak ba to? Oh my God, I want to cry kasi eh. Girls hang out! Yun yung name ng JC. Hindi ako magpapatawag doon, so basahin ko lang. Sabi ni Miles, which is Ate Maloy, Girls, lunch together, G. Sabi ni Ate Jo, or si Cass, Hello, I'm not busy, so I'm G. Sabi ni Ate Aya, aka Monique. Hello, I have afternoon sked. Hanggang 2 p.m. lang ako, but I'm G. Sabi ni Miles, Hey, how about our bunso? At Shayna, baby. Is that me? Am I the bunso? Hi, I'm not busy po. Ang bait naman nagpopo naman sa mga ate. Are you G, baby? Sabi ni Maloy. I am. Okay, Kasa, as usual. Pa-reserve na ako. Okay, girl. Yay! See you, girl. See you po, ates. Sobrang galang naman ng batang to. Ay, nagpit sa Ate Maloy. Lunch with the girls. Pero selfie lang niya. A lunch with them. Ito rin si Ate Jo nag-post. Picture lang niya. Ikaw ba yung pagkain? Ay, si Ate Aya din. Si Monique nag-post din. Kaya Ate Aya wala masabi, maganda yun eh. Shayna arrives at the restaurant and her friends are already sitting at one of the tables. We start to order what they want. And while waiting for the food, it's their cue to do the girls' talk. The three girls started to talk about what happened to their days these past few weeks. The chit-chats and jokes can be heard in their table, but they stop when they say Shayna. Shayna bunso, Miles called, tapping her shoulder. Shayna came back to her senses and she saw how her friends looked at her with concern. You're pacing out, love. Are you okay? It was Monique. Lagi naman akong tulala eh. Shayna gives them a small smile and assures them that she's okay. Ganito yan ng blooms. Ganito yung reenactment in real life. Shayna gives them a small smile and assures them that she's okay. Ganun ko sinabi sa kanila. You sure? Are you tired, Cassandra? I'm okay, girls, I guess. I'm just a little tired because of schoolworks that I finished last night, she reasoned. Wala ka namang school, be? The three just nodded, understanding what she wanted to say. It's not that long when the food arrives and they start eating their lunch. Shayna is now joining their talks and smiling a lot unlike earlier. They finish their food and the three bid their goodbye to her because of some errands to do. Shayna is now sitting alone arranging her things when she heard someone calling her name. Sha! The girl called. Shayna looked up and there she saw the girl standing in front of her while smiling widely. Shayna automatically smiled. It's weird that someone can make her heart start beating rapidly with just a smile. Agoy! Nag-tweet ako sa doctor. Gosh! I'm tired. I need a breather. It's not bad to walk at night naman, no? Delikado yan, be. Shayna already wears her pajamas when she decides to take a break from her schoolwork and just walk outside. She thinks that it helps her to take a breather after a tiring school week. She was startled when she saw a familiar girl standing outside her gate. Hi, Sha! The girl greeted her by waving her hands. Hey, what are you doing here? Shayna asked. Well, I figured that this week might be your hell week. I just knew that anytime you might need a breather and I decided to accompany you. Sakto ba dating ko? The girl said while scratching her nape. Ano yung nape? Abato. Shayna just chuckled and she could feel the butterflies in her stomach flying rampantly. Rampantly! She smiled and offered her hand to the latter. The latter looks at her hand. Hesitating, she's confused. Halika na bago magbago isip ko, Shayna smiled. The girl didn't need to have a second thought and just intertwined her hand with Shayna. It's weird to feel like our hands are perfectly fit with each other. It's like they are meant for each other. Amy. It felt home to hold your hand. Yun lang, nahulog na. Ayun lang! I love you! Your smile can ease all my tiring days. Ang ganda ng ngiti mo, mahal. Medyo weird. The moon already appears in the sky. Shayna found herself on the beach, sitting on the sand. Nasa beach! Kailan siya pumunta ng beach? Sitting on the sand, she can hear the sound of the waves. She can feel the sand and the water through her skin. Wow. She's also aware of the presence beside her. She's not alone, she's with someone. She looked to her right side, and there she saw the girl. Kale, her greatest love. Smiling while looking into her eyes, Shayna leaned her head in Kale's shoulder. They became silent and took their time to appreciate the place. Sha! Kale started almost whispering. Shayna instantly broke after she heard her name. This is the first time she cried after hearing it from Kale's voice. Mahal, ayoko pa, Shayna said between hiccups. Paano yun? Mahal, ayoko pa. You know? She intertwined her fingers with Kale's. Wow! Hindi ko pa kaya. She closed her eyes, feeling the presence with the person beside her. Baby, 5 years na po. Kale starts. Her voice cracked. Shayna gripped her hold to Kale's hand. After that, in any minute, Kale will disappear with her touch. Wow! I can't, Kale. Mahal na mahal kita, please! Shayna begged, opening her eyes to be welcomed by Kale with the same states as her. Shayna begged, opening her eyes? Pabuka? I can't, Kale. Mahal na mahal kita. Kale wiped her tears while showing her smile. Baby, please listen to me. Kale cleared her throat, holding Shayna's cheeks. You need this, okay? We need this. We need to move forward. I love you so damn much. But this is the end, Sha. You need to move on. Kailangan mong makinig sa akin, okay? Ayoko nahihirapan ka, baby. Shayna shakes her head. Siguro na ganun siya sa beach, no? No, ayoko! Yung nasa script. No! Nahihirapan din ako. Kale broke. It stopped Shayna. She's still suffering. It's already 5 years since Kale died. Patay na? So, kausap ko multo? Nahirapan din ako na nakikita kang ganyan siya. I need you to understand me, please. Pakawalan mo na ako. Babe, papakawalan na talaga kita. Multo ka na eh. Doon ka na. Doon ka na kay Lord. Mahal kita, pero doon ka na kay Lord. Shayna stopped. She understands now. She needs to let her go. Shayna needs to move forward for them to move on. You'll always be forever in my heart. Gusto ko, aalis ka ng lugar na to na okay ka ha? Mahal na mahal kita, Shayna. Shayna engulfed. Be, ano yung engulf? Sabihin niyo sa akin, anong meaning ng engulf? Hug lang pala. Shayna engulfed her with a tight hug. This is the last time she can cry on her shoulders. They stayed like that for minutes until Shayna broke the hug. Mahal din kita, Kale. Mahal na mahal. And this time, Shayna leaned and Kale accepted her. Ano accepted? And before anything turns cold, Shayna felt Colette's lips on her. Huh? What Colette? When she opens her eyes, Colette is nowhere to be seen. She just smiled and looked at skies. You'll always be my long-lost greatest love, Kale. Atay po, kaya pala patulog sa ating Colette. Well, nag-kiss na sa lips. And they say, you only fall in love with 3 people in this lifetime. Puppy love. Hey, I've been there, the puppy love. Difficult love. And everlasting love. But what if you experience it all in one person? Ay, wow! Love is beautiful. It can bring light, happiness. Love can also bring hurt and pain. Real! But in the end, you will realize that every piece of it was worth it. No matter how it destroyed you, because it gives you an important lesson in life. Tapos na. Alam niyo yung nakita ko next. Yun yung outro ng EU, guys. Ganda ng EU, pero I'm scared na. Wala pa kasi yung kasama sa condo. So, I'm scared na. Sabi niya nakakaiyak pero puro horror. Yoko lang basa. Niloloko niyo ko eh.
Si Joanna. So, first letter. Alam niyo na kung sino. First letter, G, Gwen, Gabby. June, Joanna. Asteria. Ay, hindi pala. Stacy to eh. Cali, si Colette. So, sino tong kausap niya? Ako ba to? Oo nga, ako. Ako. Sabi ni Gabby. What? Init-init. Huwag mo tayo, please. Sabi ni June. Sabi natin, Aya. Count me in, huhu. Sobrang init nga talaga, sisi. Sabay kayo sa akin, Gab, June. Sabi ni, staff ko. Sabi ni Colette, sabay ko na si Mallory, my loves. Sabi ko, yuck! Naman! Kadire, please get away from me. Sabi ko. Sabi niya, ikaw na nga itong sasabay, ayaw mo pa? Sabi ni Stako, ay na naman ho sila, Lord. Pagkukuntugin ko na kayo. Sabi ko, iumpog din kita sa pader. Sino ka? Sino ka ba? Sabi ni Ate Aya, high blood ka na naman, Mal. Kalmahan mo. Sumabay ka na kay Khalid kasi on the way ka naman from her place. Init ang ulo eh. Sabi ko, naglalakad na lang ako kasi sumabay sa asungot na yan. Sabi ni Colette, problema mo. Sabi ko, ikaw ang problema ko. Sus, yung mga ganyan. Ano yan? Ito na, convo na namin to. Sabi niya, on a serious note ga, sabay ka ba? Sabi ko, hey, hi. Oh my God, I cannot. Hindi ko kaya sabihin to. Kasi umahilig ko eh. Hi. Opo, sabay ako. Lana ko, gas, I cry. Sabi niya, bakit ang init ng ulo mo pala? May nangyari ba? Sabi ko, tinulugan mo kagabi. And red days, I think. Sabi niya, ayaw nga, ear tracker says you've started na my love. Hehe. Sundok kita in 30 minutes. Daan ako. Sabi ni Lemon for chocolates, okay? Sabi ko, hi, what would I do without you, Langga? Tapos yung emoji. You won't survive without me. Anyway, I'll be driving na. Get ready ka na dyan, ga. I love you, see you. Love you more, Langga. Oh my God, ang sweet naman ito masyado. Diyos ko, Lord. Diyos ko, Lord. Shala, galit-galitan kanina umaga, sasabay din naman pala kay Kali. Banggit ni June kay Mallory. Kung di lang mahal ni Mallory ang kanyang kaibigan, ay nabatukan na niya ito. Sayang kayo, alam niyo ba yan? Sabi naman ni Star, bagay sana kayo kung di kayo nagbabangayin araw-araw. Tumawa naman si Kali. Okay. So, okay sila. Secret, ganun. Wala tuloy kayo jowa parehas, bulong ni Gabi at nagsitawanan ng grupo habang kumakain sila ng ice cream. So yung nagsabi wala akong jowa, gantong naman ni Kali. We? Star asked. And Kali just shrugged her shoulders. We, huy, hindi nagkakwento, maduga ka. Ganon. Sabi ko, nagtama naman ang tingin ng magkasintahan na dahilan ng kanilang liham na pagtawa. Ewan ko ba sa'yo, Calliope? Nagtatampo ko, pasusungit ni Star habang hinila si June at Gabby palayo. Lagot ka, suyuin mo yun, Mallory. Mallory whispers, chuckling. They're gonna be so mad once we tell them, ga. Sabay hila naman nito kay Kali para makahabol doon sa tatlo. Movie! Anong movie panonoorin? Mukhang maganda. Turo naman ni Gabby sa isang rom-com movie sa screen. At ito na nga ang napagkasunduan ng mga magkakaibigan. Nagkatabi-tabi naman ang kanilang upuan at nagtabi ang magkasintahan. Kunwari nagbabangayan sa popcorn pero totoo lang nagbibiroan na lang sila. Ang galing-galing magpanggap. Sa kalaunan ng pelikula ay biglang naramdaman ni Mallory na may humawak sa kanyang kamay at napangiti na lang siya doon. Then sudden gesture made her heart flutter. Butterflies in her stomach all throughout the movie. Nakakainis. Alam na alam. Paano ko kunin? Mallory thought, holding onto the hand tighter. Kanilig daw si Maloy. Si Mallory. Oh, nag-chat na. Ako. Tao po, may available ba sa inyo today? Need kasama to buy stuff. Sabi na Lester, Minji, Bibi, cannot ako, family lunch. Then, B, ako rin ay cannot, napasama si ate sa akin magtingin ng apartment. Sabi niya, I love you, Mal, pero hindi rin ako pwede. Sabi ni Colette, ako pwede, ako ngayon. Huwag na pala, kaya ko na to. Sabi niya. Alam niyo na yun, nababasa niyo ngayon, di ba? Naririnig niyo ako. Sabi ni Cap, kayanin mo Calliope, pakita mo kung sino ka. Never beating the Mallory source of stress allegations. Cute. Tapos, come with me please. Nasakay lang ako, kasakay ko lang, papunta na ako. Grabe! Loki talaga. Mahal na mahal kita, alam mo ba yun? Hoy, ano nito? Ang sweet. Oo, alam ko. Kaya nga mas mahal kita. Don't reply na, I'll drive na. See you in a bit. My life savior. May kasama ka na? Hihi. Aba, Calliope is quaking. Paki ko dyan. Tapos sila pala yung magkasama. Ayan na, may story na. May story nang lumabas. Nag-match kulay outfits nyo, Kalimal. Bakit di na lang kayo? No, ew. Yok. Diring-diri para di magkaibigan ang... Ewan ko ba bakit pa ako nagbukas ng chat? Nagbabangay na naman yan. Kasi mali. Matagal naman na. Mga bulag. Ayan, nag-tweet silang dalawa. Thank you, Ayana. Gusto mo ba sabihin sa kanila, Ga, ewan to, pero ang saya kasi nila pagtripan. Asar ka talaga. Well, for you, should we tell them or let them discover on their own? Actually, I have a plan. All yours, Ga, what's the plan? Natataka ang tatlong magkakaibigan sa elevator kung bakit sila inimbitan ni Calliope sa condo niya. Napakabulag talaga. Tinype naman ni Jun ang password ng condo ni Calliope at doon na nga nila tuloy narinig ng dalawa nilang traidor na kaibigan. Dyan na ata sila, sabi ni Mallory. Kisa muna ako, Ga, sabi ni Gary. At tumawa ng bahagya. Gulat na gulat ang tatlo sa kanilang narinig. Ngunit, unti-unti muna nilang binuksan ng pinto at doon nila nakita na magkayakap ang dalawa nilang kaibigan. Tinulak naman ni Aster ang pintuan, ngunit nagulat ang dalawa. Sadya naman na ang pagpapakita nila sa kanilang kaibigan ang affection nila para sa isa't isa. Inyo? Anong pa-trader to? Sigaw ni Star. At doon na nagpatawa ang dalawang magkasintahan. Surprise! Sabi ko, chuckling because of how much Star is. Nangya ka, ihirapan naman ni Gab si Calliope bago kaya akapin si Mallory. I'm so glad to know na hindi kayo nagbabangayan habang buhay. June was shocked to say at least, but hugged the two with all her might. I'm so happy for you guys, June exclaims, almost to tears. Gano'ng katagal na? She asks, smiling. 6 months na kaming official pero feelings-wise. 1 year, sagot ni Callie. Mas lalong kinainis ni Star habang nagaran si Star tungkol sa dalawa niyang kaibigan. Di maiwasang ngumiti ni Mallory. Finally, hindi na sila magtatago kahit kanino. Pwede na niyang pagsagawan sa mundo ng kasintahan niya si Callie. Niyakap naman ni Mallory si Callie habang nakikinig kay Star. Love you so much, Mallory whispers. And Callie smiles and kisses her forehead. I love you more, my langga. Tapos yun na, yung pictures namin. How sweet it is to be loved by you. I love you, palangga ko. My love, my life, my lifeline. I love being in love with you. Ganun. And, cute! Cute ng story. Tagal ng 6 months na Loki, totoo. Kaya nyo ba yun, 6 months Loki?
Kaya tayo, because I have Twitter here sa aking laptop. Magtingin tayo, magbasa tayo mag-scroll lang tayo. Let's see, ano ba ang AU ng Bini? Okay, I just opened my Twitter. Okay. Ano bang... Sige na, makulit AU. AU, GG. Si Jacket Mocha. Makulit. Ito, sino tong... Ito, enter natin. Top. Ano bang magandang AU namin? Forever yours, the difference. Ano? Sige, pakita nyo. Gawa-gawa, pinapost sa Twitter. Sabihin nyo, ito na, dito na ako, babasahin ko. Jel, search natin si Jel. Ay, hindi, gusto ko yung AU ko. Yung ako yung bida. Ano? Anong maganda? Anong binabasa nyo? Hanap na ako dito kung ano. Maloy, please kayo dyan. Hindi. Latest. Tingnan natin sa latest. Ano ba latest AU? Ito. A letter to Kayala. A makulit short AU. Short lang. Ito. Disclaimer. This is from Bini's site at Bini's site. Yana. Ayan. Gusto niya to, Sige, mag-live tayo ng babasahin ko yung AU live na live. Disclaimer. Heavy angst includes accidents. Okay. Makasakit ba to? Okay, sige, basahin ko to. Fictional, separate fiction from reality. Any name of a character is purely made up. Therefore, entering someone's real life is just coincidental. Please refrain from mentioning the character's real names. So, hindi niya to inano. Okay, this is me. I'm gonna read it. Okay, so first, meron ditong convo. So, love. So ako to. Kasi si Colette yung nasa picture eh. So, may message ko si Colette. Yun, tama diba? Love, where are you? Uwi ka po ba? Sabihin na ayan. Para marinig niyo kung paano ko babasahin. Love, where are you? Uwi ka po ba? Sabi niya, I won't go home, Monique. Mag-dinner ka na. Lock the doors. Busy ka? Yup. Have business to attend to. Good night, Monique. Next. So, this is Rose ni Amaya, minsan si Ate Aya. Thank you for tonight at Kayala Vergara. So, ulitin. Sabi niya, definitely Amaya. Ang daming likes. Okay. So, sabi ko, of course, busy. Busy ka piling ng iba. Oh! Grabe, kawawa naman si Monique. Monique ang pangalan ko dito. Ayun na, may paano na si ABS-CBN News. Just in, Amaya Arcera and Kayala Vergara sparked dating rumors. Fans speculated the worldwide superstar and the model are in a relationship. Read more at our website. Next. Ito na, nag-tweet ako. Sabi ko, tinago na nga, di ka pa minahal. Sakit din eh. Nag-message na ako kay Colette. Sabi ko, hey, Wika please, let's celebrate today. Kent, out with the management and Amaya. Ko, okay. Happy anniversary, Kayala. I love you. Sabi ko. Love, will you go home? Please, kahit ngayon lang. Sabi niya, birthday ni Amaya. Uwi na lang ako bukas, Monique. Sabi ko, sige. Yan, ito na. Sabi ko, umuwi ka naman, please. Kayala, please, what do you want me to do? Neil, beg? Umuwi ka naman kahit ngayon lang. Nasaan ka ba? Yan. Pakailan mo ba? Hindi ko pinapakailaman ng kahit anong ginagawa mo sa buhay mo. So let me be. Sabi ko, Kayala, pagod na ako. Sabi niya, kung pagod ka, paano pa ako? Hindi na kita mahal, Monique. You destroyed me at namatay ang kapatid ko dahil sa'yo. Sabi ko, Your ate was my best friend, Kayala. Hindi ko alam kung bakit ako sinisisi mo after all these years. Sabi niya, because she chose your life over hers. What happened? Next. Kung hindi ka nagpakalasing ng Bakit iiyak ba kayo? Masakit 'yan. Bakit ba? And you don't want me to read this, AU? Tuloy ko na. Sabi niya, kung hindi ka nagpakalasing nung nag-away tayo, kung di mo tinawagan si ate nun, edi sana buhay pa siya, Monique. Sana kasama ko pa siya ngayon. She missed so much of my life because of you. I loathe you. The only thing keeping me in this relationship is the fact that I promised her that I'd be with you forever. Pero hindi ko na kaya. Pagod na ako magtiis sa'yo. Let's break up. Nakipag-break up na si Kayala, dito kay Monique. Naku. Sabi niya, is that how you think of me, Kayala? I am eternally grateful that you saved my life. It gave me a chance to live my life. If I would have known that I'd be this miserable when alive, I would have let the car hit me over and over again. Sana sinabi sa akin ng tadhana na ito pala kayo nahihitan ng relasyon na to. Wala akong ginawa kundi mahalin ka, kaya lang mahal na mahal kita. I'm sorry that she died. I'm sorry because that night I felt alone because you weren't there, but most of all, I'm sorry because you met me. Grabe. This is so sad. Ang sakit. Ayun na, nag-chat na. Sino to? Kanina ako nag-chat. Sino si Jamie? Si Joanna ba to? Si Joanna. Nag-chat na ako kay Jamie. Sabi ko, ang sakit, Jamie. Parang kasalanan ko pa lahat. Di ko naman sinadya yung pagkamatay ni Ate Claire. Sabi ni Joanna. And it's completely not your fault, Beb. Don't blame yourself na, oh. Sabi niya. But she does. She believes that I am the reason for her sister's death. Sobrang sakit. Sabi niya. Did you guys break up? Sabi ko, we did. She broke it off. Jamie, I've been with her since high school. One event really broke us apart. She missed anniversaries, birthdays. I'm so tired. Sabi niya, magpahinga ka na, Monique. Usap tayo bukas, puntahan kita. Good night, sweet soul, to deserve the love you give out to other people. Then, nag-tweet si Monique. Sabi niya, only if she gave it to me too. Next na. Short lang to, ah. Nag-post na si Kayela. Hey, you! At Amaya Arsata. And then, holding hands man na like this. Grabe ka naman. Sabi niya. Sabi ni Jamie, Kayela. Sabi ko, Jamie, bakit? Sabi niya, si Monique. Nasa hospital si Monique. Ay, hindi. Ito kay Joanna. Si Jamie, kay Kayela. Sabi ko, sabi niya, Kayela. Sabi niya, Jamie, bakit? Sabi niya, si Monique. Nasa hospital si Monique. I didn't want to contact you because you're a piece of shh. But you are the only one who can make medical decisions for her legally. Kaya pumunta ka rito, please. Maawa ka naman sa kaibigan kong nasa ospital. Sabi niya, send me the location of the hospital, Jamie, I'll be there. Sabi naman, Kayela. And then, okay, this is third person. Sabi niya, pagpasok ni Kayela sa pintuan ng ospital, agad niyang hinanap kung nasan si Monique. Dinirekta naman siya roon ng mga nurse sa reception. Kasalukuyan naka-life support si Monique dahil na-comatose ito with the title, to no brain activity at all. When Kayela saw her ex-girlfriend on the hospital bed with all the wires and tubes, she was taken aback. Hindi ko to hiniling. Kayela, Jim says, her eyes bloodshot from crying. I found her lying on the floor when I came to her kanina. She had a pool of blood surrounding her. What's worse is that I found out from the doctor that she has cancer and it has spread all over her body. No, Kayala thought. How could Monique keep something so big from everyone? The doctor approaches Kayala and Jamie and looks at them with sad eyes. At this rate po, nothing will be normal anymore for Monique. Even if there is a miracle that she'll wake up, she will not have any of her motor functions anymore. I'm so sorry. The doctor gave the two options that only Kayala could choose from. Jamie, although Matt at the latter, carries Kayala's shoulder. Okay, huwag na natin siya pahirapan. She's been through so much. Jamie gets up and walks towards cafeteria to get water for the both of them. Doc, can I go inside po? The doctor nods at Kayala's request, letting her in. Umupo si Kayala sa tabi ni Monique. Hindi niya napigilan ang kanyang luha na makita niya ang kasintahan niyang puro wire at tube ang katawan. Diyos ko, Monique, patawarin mo ko. Kayala is quick to hold Monique's hand, kissing it softly. Pasensya ka na, Monique. I did not mean anything. Hindi ako pagod sa'yo. Nasaktan lang ako. Mahal na mahal kita, Monique. Pagod ka na ba, mahal? Gusto mo na ba magpahinga? Kayala whispers as she continues to cry and kiss her lover's hand. You are a big blessing to me, my Monique. You are such an angel for staying with me despite me putting you through so much. Nakakaiyak. Kayala felt a breeze surround her, like it was hugging her, a sign that Monique was ready to go. Kayala cries more and more until she was set on a decision. Paglabas nito sa kwarto ni Monique, ay doon na agad si Jamie at inabutan naman niya si Kayala ng tubig. I think it's time to let her go, Jamie. And although Jamie thought the same, this made her heart break and she sobs. Kinausap na ni Kayala ang doktor. Pareha silang nasa loob ng kwarto noong tinanggal ang life support ni Monique. Monique looked so peaceful as she slept. They stayed until the heart monitor beat. Time of death, 3:40 a.m. And for the last time, Kayala got up to kiss her lover on her forehead. Rest in peace and love, Monique. Aww. Ay, OMG, na-like ko. Na-like ko ang isang picture. Oh, this is so sad. Ay, ito. Meron pa pala. Ito. Nag-tweet si Kayala. Thank you for the love, Kasintahan. Your love is what pushed me to be better, and I will forever be grateful for you. Rest in love, my Monique. Mahal kita. Mahal na mahal. Oh, ang weird. So, I died in this AU. But it's a good AU. Nakakaiyak. Naiyak ba kayo? Naiyak kayo doon? Nabasa niyo na ba yun, Blooms? Ay, may letter pa. May letter pa. Where is the letter? Saan ang letter? Saan? Scroll ka pa. Wala na. Yun ay, ito na yung ending, ito. Mention niyo ako, now na. Ay, tingnan ko ulit. Okay. Oh! Okay. Ito pala. Kayala. Ay, ito si Jamie. Kayala, hi. May nakita ko letter for you galing kay Monique sa bedside table. Nabigay ko sa'yo. Yeah, I'll go there. I'll get a few of Monique's stuff na rin. Okay. Okay, a letter to Kalea. Kalea pala. Kayala ako ng Kayala. Kalea pala. Mahal ko. Kumusta ka, mahal ko? By the time you read these, I must be gone. But never fear, because I am in a better place, with no more sadness and no more pain. And I hope that knowing that would give you comfort. Alam ko hindi mo sinasasadyaing saktan ako. At alam ko rin na minahal mo ako nang higit sa iyong makakaya. Gusto ko humingi ng tawad dahil nasaktan kita. Pasensya ka na kung dahil sa akin, hindi mo nakasama si Claire. Pangako, yayakapin kong mahigpit ang ate mo para sa'yo. Falling in love with you was easy. Staying in love with you was easier. And if destiny permits, I'd fall in love with you again in every lifetime. Wala akong pagsisisi na ikaw ang pinili kong mahalin. At walang hanggang kong dadalhin ang pagmamahal na pinaranas mo sa akin. My Kalea, do not blame yourself for the things you have done or for the consequences of it. Rather, you learn from it and move forward. You are an amazing person, despite the flaws you point out. You bring out the light and love in this world, and I am glad to have been the one you love. I love you, my superstar. Patuloy ang pagmamahal nito. Kahit saan pa ako mapadpad. You are truly an amazing person, and loving you has been a blessing to me. Yours forever, Monique. Yay. Nakakaiyak. Thank you, Buningneng. Pero, nabasa niyo na ba yung Blooms? Or ngayon nyo lang yung nabasa? Bakit nasasakit na? Ganito yung mga AU namin ni Colette. Bakit ganito? Bakit masasakit? Hindi naman lahat, Let's read. I'm a Colette, one shot in The Difference. There's a difference between love ya and I love you, and I wanna be the difference. Malakas na song. Ayan. Wait lang, ito mahina naman. Ayan. Yan. Yan? Is it perfect? Okay. So, ang first picture dito, The Difference, Tyler Rick, right? I'm tired of sleeping on us. I'm overdodging this crush. I'm sick of waiting 10 minutes so she texts back so don't get you thinking that I'm too attached. I'm more than benefits friends. Ooh, Lito. There's a difference in love ya, and I love you, and I wanna be the difference. Yeah, I do. Nag-rap, hindi pala rap yun. You guys know all the rules. What are the rules of Ace? May rules pala ang Ace. Characters. Maloy Recalde. Hello, I'm Maloy Recalde. I'm reading this Ace. And I'm the narrator too. Colette Vergara. Nandiyan lang siya. Kabilang fondo. Start. 01. Oh my god, this is very Wattpad. Yung ano. Okay, hello? A voice echoed off the walls of a four-cornered space. Mic check. The voice added. Woo! Let's go, Colette! A woman crazily screamed, which is now being followed by other loud noises, including the sound of wine glass being drummed by utensils. Wait. Calm down, everybody. Let's all stay calm. She chuckled through the microphone. The woman that everyone is cheering for is Colette Vergara, a newly graduated student whose passion is mainly focused on singing and creating her own music. First of all, I'd want to start by congratulating all of us here right now for reaching the end of our time as students. She gently laid herself on a high chair and pulled the microphone closer, while the other hand was holding a not-so-old-looking guitar. Woo! Congrats, our magna cum laude! Another voice from the back part of the room screamed excitedly. Shh, everybody! Breathe your ass out! She joked. Our college journey wasn't as simple as our elementary and high school years. You all know that. She has finally managed to start what she's been meaning to express as early as a couple of weeks before the commencement preparation week started. Some of us, within these 4 long years in the university, most of us had to sacrifice a good deal of nights with no single minute to close our eyes just to finish what needs to be finished. She breathed audibly. Each of us here right now and had gone through many sleepless nights and worse. Even our eating routine had gotten affected because of the drowning activities. This is why I am truly honored to be here right now and speak in front of everyone to say, she noted with a short pause. Thank you. Natapos ang kanta. Uulitin natin ang kanta. Nasaan na tayo? Thank you all for surviving and not giving up on your dreams. Thank you for being here tonight to celebrate everyone's success. But please do not forget to say thank you to those people who have trusted you and helped you get through the hell of a ride adventure. After saying those, she slowly strummed the guitar she was holding on a low volume before she could throw more words. So right now, I am here to say thank you to the one person who never dared to leave my side in most trying times, especially in my most trying times. Yeah. Oh, I think I know who it is. Everyone, including Colette, was shocked when... Sino siya? Babasahin ko ba ito? Mag-mention Hisung na lang. Oh, I think I know who it is. Everyone, including Colette, was shocked when Hisung, the most introverted one in their class, talked on his own initiative. You talk? The woman beside Hisung is Joanna, the complete opposite version of him. We were seatmates all along. Why did I not hear you speak even once? He just doesn't want to talk to you, Joanna. Colette is with microphone turned on. But going back, she continued, this person has been with me even while we were still kids. Since primary school, never once in our entire life have we been apart from another. Nag-tweet si Colette. Our parents were deadly strict back then, so we borrow our parents' phones to have conversation when we are not allowed to go outside and play. Okay, number 5 na. Okay, good afternoon, Luisa. Is your daughter available to talk? Colette misses her and she wants to talk to her. Okay, siguro ito konbo to ng nanay, magnanay. Good afternoon, Joy. Okay, Joy, pangalan nanay ni Colette. Luisa, pangalan nanay ko. Okay, let me check if she's awake. By the way, vacation will be over soon. When are you coming back here in Manila? Sabi niya, oh, we'll be home by next week. Sabi niya, that's good to know. Maloy is here. I'll give my phone to her. Thank you, Luisa. Maloy, hello. Thanks. My mom gave me a leg yesterday. How about you? Is it okay? Colette, Daddy surprised me with another Harry Potter book yesterday too. Yun niya, really? Yes. I miss playing with you. I hope we go home now. I miss it to my best friend Colette. Letter K. Okay, ito na. Hey, hello, Maloy. Can we play later when you wake up? Hi, Colette. This is Tita Luisa. Maloy has a fever right now. I'm afraid she wouldn't be able to play with you today until the next day. So you want to visit her? Sabi niya. Mommy, ayan na. May ad sa kalagitnaan ng ano. Sabi niya, my best friend is sick. Can we visit her? Sabi niya, haha, such a silly girl. Okay, go on and tell your mom. Sabi niya, Tita Luisa, can we come over and see my best friend? Sabi niya, yes, of course. I'll bake you some cookies. Colette. Nag-treat si Colette. But when we go into high school, our parents have finally decided to let us have our own gadgets. Nag-chat na si Colette, Maloy, what is it? I have a problem. What? Wait, are you okay? Do you want me to ask Mom if can I go to your house? Sabi niya, no, I'm okay. It's just fever. Sabi niya, what? You're sick? I told you shouldn't be eating ice cream while you have cough. Sabi ko, okay, I know. Sabi niya, are you done with your math assignment? Nope. Okay, let me do it. Colette, sabi niya, I'll do it. Okay, let me help you with your science project. Deal. Yan, chat-chat lang kami. Sila pala. Sabi niya, yeah, she's a science genius. Ay! Science genius pala ako here. She does my science homeworks while I do her maths. Math naman. Bye po, Ate Ira. She has my back, I have her back. Our relationship as best friends is just so healthy. There are so many things we have in common. Yan. My mom bought matcha flavored donuts. I don't eat matcha, so you better come here now and get all of them. Sabi ko, sabi niya, high five. Sabi niya, what do you mean? Sabi niya, disgusting taste. We don't eat matcha. Sabi niya, oh, finally, someone understands me. Sabi ko, oh, naman, we're so English naman here. Parang radio show. Totoo. Sabi ni Colette, you coming over? Sabi ko, yup. In a minute. Sorry. Mom ordered pizza but she didn't tell me what flavor. Sabi niya, I hope it's cheese overload. Cheese overload? Oh, haha. Ano? Ate Aya and Mom are fighting over blue and white or pink and white. Why? They're planning to redesign the kitchen. But we both know that it's green. Yup, you got it. Green is the best color. High five. Kaya may reference talaga. Like, gusto namin sa personal life. No? Galing. Like po, Kuya Raynand. Sometimes, yes, sometimes. Tapos may nagtina si Colette. However, there are also some stuff that, horror, no, comedy, or you watch alone. Horror or you watch alone. Okay, I can watch by myself. Maloy is right. It's not that scary. I'm like, please, Colette, no. My mom said we can shift from morning classes to afternoon classes. What do you think? No, I'm more productive every morning. Same. Very me. Yeah, but too early. You shift, I stay. But still, our love for each other since the beginning just grows deeper and deeper each day. Sabi ko, are you okay? Sabi niya, yeah. Don't worry, we'll work it out. I hope so. You did your best, okay? You did so great this semester. But I lost 2 points, Maloy. What if I don't make it to School of Nursing because of this? Sabi niya, hey, don't think of that. We'll become a good nurse together in the future, okay? Let's help each other. Promise? Promise, my best friend. Thank you, Maloy. Love you always. Love you, calls. Minsan tinatawag ko siyang call. In real life, call. First year college. That's when I started to realize that my love of her went all up to something else. Something very different from before. I started wanting for more. Colette, oh my god, what more? What do you want from me? Yeah, the word best friends doesn't seem to work on me anymore. I want a change. Change of what? Indom si Colette. I want to be the different. She want to be the difference daw. But I don't know how to do it. I don't know how to start doing it. College is not a joke. How may I possibly do anything more aside from school? I let it slide. My feelings. I thought it'll be gone after days or weeks. But weeks turn into months, and months turn to years. I still have it. Our closeness leveled up. Sometimes I'm thinking if she feels the same way, she won't welcome any suitor, even guy friends. She holds my hand more often. Hala ka. Pinag-iisipan mo. Ako, mga ganyan. I'm stuck. I'm stuck pala. I'm stuck. Stuck in this feeling forever. I hate myself for being such a coward. But no, I am persistent with my words. I wanna be the difference. Ayun na. Maloy, are summa cum laude? Colette turned her gaze to the woman in the middle table who was having a hard time with her chicken. Can you please stop eating for a while? You've been eating the whole day, please. Everyone laughed. It's very me. Please listen to me. Good night po, Ate Alpha Bless. Colette cleared her throat and straightened her back before pulling the microphone closer once again. Blooms, ay hindi po. Sabihin ko sana na basahin niyo yung binabasa ko. Pero hindi niyo ako makikita. So, makinig na lang kayo. Kunyari, nakikinig kayo ng sa radyo. Ayun na. We've been best friends since we were kids. We've been through a lot. Highs and lows. Tears and joy. I love how we were. How we have been, Maloy. You are one of the things I am most grateful for. And you know that I wouldn't be here right now if it weren't for you. Yeah. Maloy, I don't know if you noticed, but for the last 4 years, I kept this secret within myself. I apologize because I know that this could possibly ruin all years that we were together. I know we'll always say love yous and miss yous, but this time, Maloy, I want to be the difference. Colette began plucking her guitar and started singing. I'm tired of slipping on us. I'm overdodging this crush. Sorry, hindi ko alam yung tono, pero inulaan ko lang. Okay, sige. I-play daw natin yung song. Yun ang sabi ng Blooms. Let's play the song. Ano yun? The difference. Ayan. Sino? Sino kumanta? Sino kumanta nito? Sino kumanta nito? Hala yan ah. Nakatambay na sa Tyler. John Lloyd. Tyler. Si Tyler daw. Ayan, ito na. Okay. Kasi may nabasa ako dito, sabi ko, makanta pala si Mr. John Lloyd Cruz.
Switch to Nescafe Creamy White. Buong sarap ng Nescafe.
Ano ko mo? Oh, so this is the song. Ito na yun. Kumadi niya si Colette ng Mafia.
Tired of sleeping on us. I'm overdodging this crush.
I'm sick of waiting 10 minutes just to text you back. So you don't get to thinking that I'm too attached to more little fit friends. More than just a weekend binge. Oh, won't you be my hottie, riding shotty? I don't want nobody's body but your body, babe. All I'm trying to say, there's a difference between this you. I'm just your place. If there's a
All the people from the celebration even circled around Malloy. Two of them grabbed Malloy's arms and escorted her along the stairs to stage. When Malloy has finally reached the stage, Colette turned her entire body and looked straight at Malloy's eyes before singing the chorus.
still love you, and I love you, and I wanna be the difference. Yeah, then I wanna be the difference between hey, what's up, and what we're gonna do tonight. Between us, she's cool, we hang out sometimes, and that girl.
And there, she continued to pluck her guitar, stood right in front of the other girl and whispered, Malloy, would you let me be the start of change and be the difference? I love you, Colette. And cute. Ang cute nito story na to. Cute!
Oh, okay, this is the one. At Josie one-shot AU, wherein Joanna forgot her girlfriend's birthday while Stacy was hoping that she was doing it on purpose to surprise her. Yan. Ay, masakit yan. Okay. Okay, nag-tweet si Stacy. Thank you for the day. I love you. And nag-post na picture nila. Sabi niya na, yeah, I love you too, babe. Ay, babe ang tawagan. Ew. Sorry, no hate sa mga babe. No hate sa mga babe ang tawagan. I just don't like the babe. Okay, nag-chat na si Joanna kay Stacy. Are you at home? Sabi niya, Tingin, natig mo kaya ako? Sabi niya, haha, I'm just making sure. Sabi niya, ikaw, nakauwi ka na ba? Yes po. Late pong? Date daw tomorrow. Niya, baby. Oh! Ako din ang ganyan tawagan. Niya, can I say no? I'll make bawi sa'yo, I promise. Sabi niya, why? Niya, asikasuhin ka ba? Ayan na. Ayan na. May dump account si Staco sa private na kanyang Twitter account. Sabi niya, it's my birthday tomorrow. You're going to surprise ba? Kunwari na lang, hindi ko alam kung I'm excited. Yan na. Na siya, nagpipilig na siya. Sabi niya, well, I have plans with Colette kasi, ayun na naman. Siyempre, may papasok na naman sa kwento ko. You know naman, diba, natagal na namin hindi nakakapag-bonding. Kayo din ni she, I promise babawi po ako. It's just for tomorrow, please. Sabi niya, you don't need to explain naman, baby. Tinanong lang kita, ang haba ng sagot mo. Sabi niya, well, just wanted you to know. Sabi niya, hi, thank you. Kasi may baby naman kasi. Tapos sabi niya, well, I just want you to know Sabi niya, hi, thank you. Sabi niya, you can invite Sheena for the bonding then. Bestie bond muna tayo. Sabi niya, okay, let's rest na po, late na. And lalo ka na, huhu. Ikaw nag-drive kanina. Sabi ni Jo, ay nako, kanina lang naman ako nag-drive. You always drive for us. Sabi niya, kahit na, it's that face. Sabi niya, stop na, mag-rest ka na. Sleep din ako maya-maya. Sabi niya, okay po, good night, heart. Sabi niya, good night, love. Tapos sabi ni Staff, nag-tweet na naman siya sa kanyang private Twitter. Sabi niya, I swear, Joanna is doing it on purpose. With this emoji. Sabi niya, kanina pa ako pinagsisigan and sobrang sweet. With a smiley face. Sige, mag-feeling ka lang. Good night, everyone. Nag-tweet siya sa kanyang main account. Good night! Nag-tweet si Joanna sa kanyang main account. The next day, nag-tweet si Sheena, Happy birthday, Staco! No more dramas. I love you so much, festive. Nag-reply Stacy. Thank you, She. I love you too. Ganyan. Tapos Sheena. Magka-chat si Sheena and si Stacy. Sabi ni Sheena, Stako, babe. Happy birthday. I love you, te. Sabi niya, Sheena, me. Thank you. I love you too. Sabi niya, kumusta ka? I mean, how's your day? Sabi ni Stacy, the usual. Celebrating my birthday alone. Mom and dad are still in States. Sabi niya, how about Joanna? Wala kang ganap na girlfriend mo? Sabi niya, well, she's with your girlfriend. Sabi niya, I know. But do you have plans with her today? Sabi niya, actually wala, haha. I think whole day silang magbabanding ni Colette. Sabi niya, teka, does your girlfriend know that your birthday is today? Tanong niya siya. Eto naman, di na syempre, nag-tweet si Stacy. You remember naman, no? Kasi if you don't, I will cry right now. Ganyan ang kanyang tweet. So magka-chat na si Sheena and si Stacy ulit. Teka, does your girlfriend know that your birthday is today? Sabi ni Stacy, oo. I know sinabi ko sa kanya birthday ko last time. Sabi niya, Joss has a bad memory in dates. I think she doesn't have any idea that your birthday is today. Message mo kaya? Sabi niya, no, I didn't want. Alam kong maaalala niya yan. Baka naman she's preparing for a surprise with this emoji. Sabi niya, I don't think she is. I'll talk to Colette. Sabi niya, please, you don't tell her. Hayaan mo na lang Joanna mismo makaalala. Kung nakalimutan niya nga. Sabi niya, hay nako. Please. Oo na. Thank you. You know we can bond naman. What if punta ako dyan sa bahay mo? Sabi niya, can we bond tomorrow? Sabi niya, oh, okay po. Just message me if you need anything, ha? I'll drive dyan papunta sa iyo agad-agad. Yay! Thank you, Sheena. Love you. I love you too, bestie. Anything for you. Nag-tweet na si Stacy sa kanyang main account. Sana maalala mo bago matapos ng araw. Paghihintay ako, Jo. Yun na, parinig na siya. Nag-picture na ito. Nag-post si Colette. Bond with bestie. Ayan, picture sila. Sheena's POV. Okay. Mahal! Nicolette, dali ka na! Kanya, OMG, hi baby ko. Parang di ganito naman mag-chat si Colette. Sabi niya, bakit po? Ano pong need ng mahal ko? Oh my God! This is not very Colette. And this is not very Bingy. Di mo sure. Charing. Sabi niya, are you still with Jo? Oh yes, babe. Yan na naman. Ang dami naman dito. May mahal ko, may baby ko, my babe, my baby. Gosh. Let's go. Let's respect the author. Are you still with Jo? Oh yes, babe. Why po? Malig ka ba kay Jo? Sabi niya, is she aware na birthday ng girlfriend niya today? Yan na. Sabi ni Colette, ha? Ano daw? Yan na, nag-tweet siya. Sabi naman ni Colette, ha? You mean birthday ni Stacy ngayon? Yes. And it seems like her girlfriend doesn't know anything about it. Sabi niya, hala, OMG ka. Kausapin ko si Jo pagbalik. Nasa counter pa order. Yeah, no, don't tell her. Sabi ni Colette, ano gagawin ko, babe? Ano gagawin ko? Joanna has a bad memory. Circle of friends namin, si Aya lang ang natatandaan niyang birthday because magkasunod sila. Kahit birthday ko, hindi maalala ng bruhang to eh. Sabi ni Colette. Nag-tips siya na, hi, medyo masama to. Ayan na. Sabi niya, kahit birthday ko, hindi maalala ng bruhang to eh. Sabi ni Sheena, tell her to open her SOCMED accounts. Pero huwag masabihin kung bakit nakikita niya yung tweets namin. Hayaan mo siyang mismo makapansin. Okay, babe. And please, after niya dyan, uwi na kayo. Stacy is sad because she's alone on her birthday. I'll be quick, babe. Na naman. Ako bahala. After nito, uwi na ako sa'yo. Hey, ingat kayo ah. Opo, I love you. I love you too. Okay, next. Ha? Ay, hala ka. Hindi talaga naalala. Diyos ko, Joanna. Yun na, sabi ni Colette. Joanna! Check Twitter na. Tagal mo naman. Saan ka na? Bili, check Twitter. Yun na, mabilis. Sabi niya, oh my God, Nicolette. I'm still in my car. Kadarating ko lang ng bahay. Kanina ka pa, kulit mo. Alam mo, meron sa Twitter kasi. Sabi niya, ayan, salamat. Now check Twitter. Bilisan mo. 9:00 na. Sabi niya, ano pa kasi yun? Sabi niya, basta, mag-check ka na po. Hindi na kita re-replyan. Sabi niya. Naku, baka makapagsalita ako dito ng masasamang words. Sabi niya, ano ba kasi meron dito? Ay, oh my God! Ganyan ang reaction ni Joanna. OMG, kulit, I forgot. Oh my God! Ganyan, kanina pa kita kinukulit eh. Ayaw mo makinig. Sabi niya, I didn't remember. She was alone on her birthday. Sabi niya, message mo na. Puntahan mo. Bumawi ka hanggat hindi pa tapos ang araw niya. What if she's mad at me? Sabi niya, let her. Kasalanan mo naman. Ay, kulit. Puntahan mo na. Mag-sorry ka in person. Dalian mo hanggat hindi pa tapos ang araw. Okay, I will. Thank you. Welcome. Huwag ka na mag-reply. Chat mo, jowa. Chat mo na, jowa mo. Nag-tweet na si Colette. Sa wakas, tuldo ka na din ng katang. Tut! Munti ka na ako doon. Blooms, munti ka na ako doon. Let's go. Let's go kayo. Okay, next. Hey, Lovey. Oh, hello, baby. How's your day with Colette? Dapat medyo malungkot. Well, the usual lang po. Kain and kwento din. Uwi na. Niya. Okay. Oh my God. Ganito ako magtampo, Blooms. Ganito ako pag medyo, okay. As in, okay, ay, ganyan. Sabi niya, mahal, can you go outside? Niya, OMG, what are you doing here? Niya, basta, baba ka please, I'll wait for you here. Niya, I'll go downstairs na. Niya, naalala niya kaya, nag-tweet na tong si Stanko. Tapos ito, Stacy was rushed to go outside, even if she's confused why Joanna is here in this late hour. When she reached the gate, she saw her lover, smiling and hands are shaking. Stacy walked to her girlfriend and was shocked when Joanna engulfed her with a tight embrace. Happy birthday, mahal ko. I'm sorry if I forgot, mahal. Mahal na mahal kita, lagi mong tandaan. I'm sorry if I ruined your day. I'm sorry if I forgot. I promise hindi na mauulit to. Joanna tightened her hug when Stacy still not uttering words. I'm sorry, Stacy. If that's the signal, Stacy broke the hug and smiles to her girlfriend. And that's... Idiot! I know na you have a bad memory of this. I already forgive you the moment I saw you in front of me. Joanna hugs her girlfriend again. Please make it up to you tomorrow. Okay po? After they hug, Stacy decided that Joanna will sleep in her house because it's getting late and she needs to make it up for her girl tomorrow. Ay! Bongga, natulog together. Ganun ang bawi. She said she'll make bawi daw. Ganyan, nag-tweet na siya. But she didn't said that she will do it the whole day. I love you, Joanna. Ganyan. Happy birthday, Lovey. I'm sorry if I'm late this year, but I promise to make bawi sa'yo every year, okay? 2 more years with you. I love you po. Ayan, nag-post si Joanna. Flex niya ang kanyang girlfriend. And, ang cute. This is so cute. This is a cute story. Grabe. Parang napagod yung boses ko dun. Wait lang, water break.
Hanap tayo dito na Mikaya. Mikaya. You. Ano tong make it with you? Maganda ba to? Ito ba? Bakit? Hindi pa tapos? Oh, better! Hindi pa tapos. Mas maikli. May ano. There's a cliffhanger. Or something. Where's my glasses? Okay. Huwag yan. Bakit? One shot. Okay, fine. Ito. Tried. Anong alam niyo lahat na to, ah? Ano to? Ano ba? How about this? Driver's license. I'll make it hurt? Okay. Okay, ito na lang. Wait lang, di pa nag-150k eh. Patawa na ako eh. Let's listen to music na ano. You know what I'm saying? Like, the vibe. Para ma-feel nyo. Ito. Sam Smith. Kaso hindi pa hindi pa nag-50k. I want 50. Thank you, half the world away. Make it hurt nga. Thank you, Blue Shane. Thank you, Tita Blue. Ano na? Thank you, Purple Shadow. Thank you, Tita Bloom. Thank you, Denise Kea. Every time I day, I'm very dry. Oh! Thank you, Chibika. Masakit ba? Last. It's okay. Masakit? What? Oh, masakit siya. The way I like it. That's when reality hits you, just like a, Nakakaiyak. Hindi ako naiiyak eh. Like, hindi ako maiyakin. Lalo na't alam ko na ginagamit niyo ako sa story na to. As a red flag. Thank you, Shadow. Last. Thank you, Mixie Dust. Hindi ka red flag dyan. Wow! For the first time. Why? Seryoso. Thank you, Laura. Kainis. Thank you, Ate Kim. Oh my God. Thank you po. Okay. Let's go.
Must think that I'm stupid. You must think that I'm a fool. You must think that I'm new to this.
Okay.
But I've seen this before.
A Mikaya one-shot AU, wherein Mika and Aya were both forced in an arranged marriage. What will happen if one of them falls in love? Hindi pa naging ako. Hindi naman talaga naging ikaw. Char. Okay. Wala pa rin si Mika and I'm worried. Should I message her? Huh? Baka kasi mamaya makagulo ako. I ruined her life at sobra na akong isipin niya na pakialaman ko pa siya sa gusto niyang gawin sa buhay. Ang pangit ng Tagalog. Sorry. Isa pa. I ruined her life at sobrang na akong isipin niya na pakialaman ko pa siya sa gusto niyang gawin sa buhay. Sino si wife? Okay. Hello, sorry I forgot to message you na. I'm going to be late tonight. Pauwi na rin ako in a few minutes. I just have to finish another 5 emails for important projects. Wow, that's new. She said sorry for coming home late. Ako si wife. Okay. Hello, sorry I forgot to message you na. I'm going to be late tonight. Pauwi na rin ako in a few minutes. I just have to finish another 5 emails for important projects. Sabi ni Ate Aya, hi. Sabi ko, oh, you're still awake. Anyways, just like what I said earlier, late na ako makauwi. It's okay. Have you eaten? Not yet. I need to finish this 5 emails within the day. But I'll order takeouts na lang pauwi. Ikaw, may gusto ka ba? Ikaw, char. Question mark. Ikaw, o, diba? Ang galing. Galing ko. Anyway, wala naman. Sige na, finish that work para makauwi ka na at makakain. Okay, wag na masyadong paggabi. Sleep ka na rin maya-maya ha. I have my keys naman, so don't wait for me na. Good night, wifey. Have a sleepless dream. Okay, take care, Mika. Drive safely. Good night. Tatawa ko. Kasi, her actions are a bit different na. These past few days, she's the one who cooked breakfast for the both of us. She rarely cooks. Sabi niya, natin mo siya maluto. And then kapag umuwi siya, may dala siyang flowers and food. I mean, sa 5 taon namin kasal ngayon, yan ang ginawa ang mga to. What is your deal, Mika? I don't know. Let's find out. Okay. Aya was in the kitchen when she heard the gate. She assumes that it's her wife, so she waited at the salas. After a few minutes, the door opens and it reveals her wife, Mika. The latter was holding a plastic bag of takeouts from a fast food chain and a bouquet of flowers. She stopped when she saw her wife waiting for her. Aya felt like she couldn't breathe with her heart ramming against her ribcage. Mika smiled and walked towards her. Nabingit it. Aya. Move on. Mika. Hi! Mika greeted and handed her the bouquet. Hello. Mika, thank you. I accepted and smiled as well. She couldn't control her hands shaking right now while holding the bouquet. I thought you're already sleeping now. What are you doing here sa salas? Well, I'm at the kitchen when I heard the sound of the gate. Nauuhaw kasi ako and I forgot my tumbler, so bumaba ako. Akin na yung takeouts mo. I-ready ko na sa dining room. Magpahinga ka muna before you eat. I was about to take the plastic bags from Mika, but the latter stopped her. Ano, wala? Wait lang. Okay. It's okay. I can prepare it for myself naman. Magpahinga ka na at alam kong pagod ka rin sa work. It's okay, I insist. Isa pa, hindi pa naman ako inaantok and free day ko bukas, so I can sleep anytime.
Aya smiled, and Mika gave up, so she handed the plastic bags to her wife. Ganon. While Aya was preparing her wife's food, Mika changed her clothes into pajamas to make her more comfortable. When she went downstairs, the food was already prepared, and her wife was waiting for her while sitting at one of the chairs. Mika walked towards her wife and sat beside her. "Thank you." "Thank you," Mika said while taking the utensils at the table. "No worries, enjoy eating." "Mag-sleep ka na?" Aya chuckles and shakes her head. Remix to nito. Pagtawanan niyo, sige. Iibahin ko na yun. Sabi ko, "No, sa salas lang naman muna ako. I don't want you to feel uncomfortable," Aya said, and Mika just furrowed her left brows. She's showing a confused face. "Huh? What are you saying? Hindi naman ako uncomfy around you eh." "Baka lang, pagod ka rin, baka need mo alone time. Hindi naman masyado. Come here, upo ka ulit, then tell me about your day." Mika smiled this time, and Aya was the one who was confused. "What?" Those words came out of Aya, and Mika chuckled. Mali pa spelling. "Okay lang yan. O bakit bawal ko ba tanungin ang wife ko kung anong nangyari sa araw niya?" She noticed Aya's face turning red as a tomato, and she laughed again. In the end, Aya gave up and sat beside her wife, telling Mika about her days, and the latter reciprocated by telling Aya about it too. "Wow, nagbigay ako ng flowers." A bouquet of flowers. Heart. And a letter? "Your wifey. It feels illegal na kiligin even if we're married." "Hi, Mika Lim." "I know. Bakit pa kasi hindi ako?" "Hindi pala siya." "Good morning, wifey. Sorry I have some errands today, but it didn't take long naman." Tatawa ako. Hindi pala siya. "Good morning, wifey. Sorry I have some errands today, but it didn't take long naman." Tatawa ako sa chat niya. "By the way, just dress comfortably later. We'll be going somewhere." I'm gonna smile. "Good morning." Ay, naskip ko. "Good morning." Hold up. "Good morning, Mika. Wait, what's the occasion today? Check the date today. See you later." Kalimutan niya yung anniversary namin, huy. Oh my God! It's our 5th anniversary today. Tingnan mo, wallpaper niya pa sarili niya. OMG, I should have known. Me and my short-term memory loss against the world. Ako yun eh. On the other side, first time na siya ang nakaalala ng wedding anniversary namin. Lalo ako nahulog sa mga mixed signals mo, Mika Lim. Sabi ni red flag ako dito. Anyway, since I have so much time dahil day off ko, bibili ako gifts for her. Wow. As a best wife. Wow! Ganda ng mga gifts. Dior. Okay, 5 gifts for a 5th anniversary. I'm so excited for her reaction. Ano ba? Pag ginusto niyo, di ba? Para kang si Joanna. Tana. Shh. Shh. "Hello, get ready. I'll pick you up in 30 minutes. Drive safely." "I will. And yeah, don't stress yourself with what you wear, ha? Wear whatever you're comfortable with. You're already beautiful. I hope you know that." Basta yun. Nagsabi siya. I'm stating facts. By the way, I'll get in the car na. Corny naman ng mga ano nyo. Ayan na. Wow, Porsche. Porsche. Wow. My story. Wow! Roses and wine. Nakangiti lang siya all the time. Hoy, mag-load ka. Hoy, bagal. Ang ganda. The couple are now eating their food with satisfied smiles on their faces. The atmosphere was light, and Mika believes that her view made the place more special because of her wife. "How are you these past few days, Aya?" "Well, I think these past few days medyo naging kakaibang araw ko. It's not bad naman. Maybe a lot of things change, katulad na lang tayo. I feel like there's a little change between us." She saw how Mika gulped while she's talking. She observed her wife's expression. "Are you okay, Mika?" "Yeah." "Are you sure?" "Yes, let's just enjoy dinner before the night ends." Aya feels like Mika wants to say something, but she shrugged all of her thoughts and just enjoyed the night, just like how her wife wants. Something's wrong. Gee, I wonder what. And I can feel it. Same. When the couple arrived at their house, Mika was welcomed with the 5 paper bags from the top fashion brands that were placed at the table. She furrowed her eyebrows and looked at her wife. Sabi, do you like it? This is too much, Aya. It's just money, Mika. Kulang pa nga yan if tatapatan ko lahat ng ginawa mo para sa akin these past few years. Mika's tears are starting to fall into her eyes. Nahuhulog pala yung mga luha sa mga mata. Sir. Aya was quick to notice her wife and walked towards her. The latter gently held Mika's left hand, squishing it to make her calm, while her right hand was caressing her wife's cheeks. The younger one looked at her, and it gave Aya a nervous feeling. Can you hug me, Aya? Aya felt her wife's baggage, and it made her heart shattered when she felt her wife's arms against her. They stayed like that for a few minutes. Mika was the one who broke the hug and wiped the tears in her eyes. They're sitting now on the sofa, and Aya breaks their silence. Pahinga ka na, Mika, sabi ni Aya. Mika looks at her and shakes her head. She grabbed a small folder from her bag and handed it to Aya. Open it. Aya didn't oppose to just open the folder. The tears that she had been trying to hold back earlier are now falling into her eyes. It's a divorce paper. Is this true? Why are you doing this? I'm sorry, but I just didn't like the idea to be tied down with someone I just see as my friend. Mika made sure there's a bite to how she said it. It hurt, and she knows it hurt the older two, but she'll do anything just to give the older person a lifetime happiness with someone she actually loves rather than a marriage that seems to be falling apart. Mika, please! Let's just stop this, Aya. Oh my God, nai-cringe na ako yung... Okay. Tigilan na natin to. Pwedeng basahin ko na lang by myself. Para... Hindi kita mahal, at lalong hindi kita mamahalin. Bakit? Hindi ba talaga naging ako, Mika? Look into my eyes and say it. Hindi naman talaga naging ikaw, Aya. Hindi talaga. Side-eye. Char. That was it. She couldn't take any more pain in Mika's words. Aya breathed out. She already felt tears gathering in her eyes. She feels extremely devastated. I'll sign the papers then. What was even holding me back? She spat with venom that pricked Mika's heart. The younger just swallowed the lump in her throat and walked past Aya. Left the two girls broken. Ang sakit-sakit! It was so stupid of me na naniwala sa mixed signals mo. Sim, I was blinded by my love for you. Huy! An error occurred loading this image. Okay, next. Ayan. Freaking hate you so much. You did a great acting back there, Mrs. Lim, or should I say Miss Lim, because you and your wife will get to be divorced na. Tatawa na talaga ako eh. Anyway, gets ko na. Ano bang trip na ito? Sino ba to si Unknown? It hurts to see you cry. I'm sorry I was a coward. I need to do this to protect you. I promise to come back into your arms, but not now. I already signed the papers. I will just give it to Mom and Dad tomorrow. Since sinunod ko na yung gusto mo, may favor din ako sa'yo. Don't ever show up to me. Pinagsisihan kong minahal kita. I hate you so much, Mika Lim. Ayoko na makita ka pa kahit kailan. I'm sorry I lied to you. Hindi ko pinagsisihan na makasal sa'yo. Na? I love you so much, but I need to start. Yun na yun? Kala ko ba masakit to? Hindi naman Feeling ko nakakatawa lang kasi I'm saying it out loud and not just reading it. Ay, may sequel. Wag na. Tigilan na natin to. Naubos yung oras ko dito.